Tom, look at the sky. It's so cloudy today.
It's fine. Let's go for a walk in the park.
I think we should take an umbrella.
An umbrella? Look, the sky looks fine to me.
I don't know. The clouds are very dark.
Don't worry, Sarah. It won't rain today.
Okay, if you say so. Let's go then.
Great. The park is just 5 minutes away.
Wait, did you feel that?
Feel what?
I think a drop of rain just fell on my arm. Tom, it's really raining now. Look at the sky.
Oh no, this is heavy rain. We need to run.
We don't have an umbrella. We're getting so wet.
I'm sorry, Sarah. You were right about the umbrella.
It's okay now. Just find some shelter, quick.
There's a small shop over there. Let's go.
My shoes are all wet. This is terrible.
Wait here. I will buy an umbrella from that shop.
Good idea. Please hurry, Tom.
Okay, I got one. It's small, but it's cheap.
That's fine. Let's open it and walk home.
This little umbrella will save us now.
I hope it's strong enough for this wind. Tom, hold the umbrella up high. The wind is so strong.
I'm trying. This umbrella is very cheap.
Watch out! A big gust of wind is coming.
Oh no, the umbrella just turned inside out.
Now it's broken.
Sarah, we're getting wetter.
Look, there's a small cafe right over there.
Yes, let's run there now, quickly.
I can see warm lights inside the window.
Come on, Sarah, almost there.
Excuse me, can we come in? We are very wet.
Of course, come in, come in.
Thank you so much. It's so warm in here.
Here, take these towels and dry yourselves.
This is very kind of you.
Would you like some hot chocolate? It's free today.
Really? That sounds wonderful right now.
Sit by this table, near the warm window.
This hot chocolate is delicious. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The rain outside is still very heavy.
Yes, I can see that from the window.
Please, sit and relax for a while longer.
Look at the rain falling on the window, Tom.
It's actually quite nice just sitting here with you.
Yes, this feels like a little date, doesn't it?
It does. Our walk in the park is ruined, but this is nice too.
I told you we needed an umbrella.
I know. You were right, Sarah.
Next time, please listen to me about the weather.
I promise I will always bring an umbrella now.
Good. Now drink your hot chocolate before it gets cold.
This is honestly a really lovely afternoon.
Wait, Tom, look. Something is happening outside.
The sun. I can see sunlight coming through the clouds.
The rain has stopped. Look how clean the street looks.
Sarah, look up. There's a huge rainbow in the sky.
Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. I love rainbows.
Me too. This day became something special after all.
It's funny, our walk in the park didn't happen.
No, but we found a warm cafe and a kind owner instead.
Sometimes the best days are the ones we don't plan.
You're right.
And you will listen to me about the weather, right?
Yes, I promise. Let's walk home together now.
This was an unplanned but truly happy day.
Happy and unplanned, just like the best days are.
Tom, I am home.
You bought many things.
Yes, the bags are very heavy.
Let me help you.
Thank you. Oh no, my wrist is empty.
What is wrong?
My silver bracelet is gone.
The birthday gift?
Yes, I am so sorry, Tom.
It is okay.
I feel so bad. I was careless.
Do not blame yourself.
I lost your special gift.
You carried many heavy bags.
Yes, I had 3 big bags.
The friction rubbed it off.
You are right.
We will go find it together.
Really? Can we find it?
We can try. Let's recall your morning.
First, I bought a coffee.
Okay, then what?
Then I went to the supermarket.
How did you come home?
I took the number 5 bus.
Okay, we have 3 places.
Let's trace my steps.
Let's go right now. Hello, can you help us?
Sure. What is wrong?
My wife lost her silver bracelet.
Did she lose it today?
Yes, it has blue stones.
Let me check the lost and found.
Thank you. Is it there?
No, I only see keys.
Did you sweep the floor?
Yes, I saw no jewelry.
Can we check the window table?
Take your time.
It is not here.
Leave your phone number. I will call you.
Good idea. Here's my number. Hello. We are looking for a lost item.
Which bus did you take?
The number 5 bus. Around noon today.
What did you lose?
A silver bracelet with blue stones.
Let me check the computer. Nothing is listed.
When do the drivers return?
After their shift, at 8 tonight.
Can we call you later?
Yes, here is my card. Ask for Linda.
Thank you, Linda. Goodbye.
The supermarket is so big.
We will search step by step. Where first?
The produce section. I bought apples.
Let's check under the fruit tables.
Nothing here, just an apple.
Where to next?
The dairy aisle. I bought milk.
Look under the coolers.
The floor is clean. It is not here.
Did you go to the register?
Yes, lane number 3.
Let's check the checkout lane.
No bracelet. I am so sad.
Don't lose hope. Let's ask the cashier.
Hello, what do you need?
Did anyone find a silver bracelet?
No, nobody brought one in today.
Okay, can I leave my number?
Yes, write it on this paper.
Please call if you find it.
I will call you.
Thank you.
I feel so sad, Tom.
Do not cry. It is okay.
We searched everywhere. We found nothing.
I know, but it is just a bracelet.
It was my birthday gift from you.
The gift is not important. You are important.
I wasted our whole afternoon.
You did not waste it.
I was very careless today.
No, Sarah, listen to me.
I should have been careful.
You bought many things today. You carried them home alone. You were very tired.
I did not lose it on purpose.
I understand. It was an accident.
You are not angry with me?
Of course not. It is not your fault.
Thank you, Tom. You are so understanding.
We are almost home. Just rest now.
Hello. I want to buy a bracelet.
Hello, sir. What kind of bracelet?
A silver bracelet with blue stones.
Let me check our catalog.
I bought it here last year.
Oh, I see it.
Do you have an identical one?
No, that style is discontinued.
That is a pity.
But we have similar styles.
Can you show me?
Yes, this is our newest model.
It is very beautiful.
It has blue sapphire flowers.
Is the clasp strong?
Yes, the new clasp is very secure.
Perfect. I will take this one.
Do you need a gift box?
Yes, please. It is a surprise gift.
I will wrap it with a blue ribbon.
Thank you. She will love it.
Here is your gift bag.
Thank you for your help.
Welcome home, Tom. Dinner is ready.
It smells delicious. What did you cook?
I cooked roast chicken and vegetables.
I am so hungry. But wait,
What is it, Tom?
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise for me?
Yes, open this box.
Oh my, it is a new bracelet.
Do you like it?
It is beautiful, but it is different.
The old style was out of stock.
This new one is gorgeous.
It has a strong clasp.
Thank you.
You are very welcome, honey.
You did not blame me at all.
Next time, we will go shopping together.
But you are busy with work.
Life is fun when we share it.
That is very sweet, Tom.
If you go alone, buy less things.
I will remember that.
Leave the heavy things for me.
You are a great husband.
Thank you. Let's eat. Hi, I want to learn latte art.
How fun! Do you have an espresso machine?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
This beginner machine is great.
Does it have a steam wand?
Yes, for frothing milk.
How much is it?
$149.
What else do I need?
A milk frothing pitcher.
Stainless steel?
Yes, 12-ounce size is perfect.
And coffee beans?
This medium roast is great for lattes.
Anything else?
A latte art pen for details.
That is so cool.
And a thermometer for the milk.
What temperature is best?
Around 140 degrees.
How much for everything?
$195 total.
A good investment for my morning coffee.
You will make cafe quality lattes at home.
Hi, which milk is best for latte art?
Whole milk is the best.
Why whole milk?
More fat means better foam.
What about oat milk?
It works too. We have a barista version.
Barista version? What is that?
Extra creamy, froth's better.
I will get one of each.
Whole milk and barista oat milk.
Does the brand matter?
Not really, just make sure it is fresh.
Check the expiration date.
Exactly. Fresh milk froth's better.
How much milk should I buy?
For practice, buy a lot.
That much practice?
Latte art takes time to learn.
I am ready for the challenge.
2 half-gallons should be enough to start.
Thank you for the tips.
Good luck with your latte art.
Can we watch you make a latte?
Of course. I love showing people.
What pattern do you do?
I will make a heart, the basic one.
How long did it take you to learn?
About 2 months of practice.
2 months? That is not bad.
First, I pull a perfect espresso shot.
It looks so dark and rich.
Now I steam the milk.
That hissing sound.
That means the milk is getting hot.
How do you know when to stop?
When the pitcher is too hot to hold.
Now the pouring?
Yes, high first, then low and slow.
I see the pattern forming.
Now I pull through. See? A heart.
That is beautiful.
Start with hearts, then try leaves.
You make it look so easy.
It takes lots of milk and patience.
Okay, my first try. Here we go.
First, the espresso shot.
Press the button. Done.
That looks good. Nice and dark.
Now I steam the milk.
Watch the temperature.
140 degrees. Got it.
The foam looks thick.
Is that bad?
A little too thick. Make it smoother.
How?
Tap the pitcher on the counter.
Like this? Good. Now I pour.
High first, then low.
I am pouring, pouring.
What is that?
It is a heart. Kind of.
It looks more like a ghost.
A heart ghost. My new style.
It tastes great, though.
Taste is what matters, right?
Right, but keep practicing.
Tomorrow morning, try again.
Watch this. My 12th try today.
You have been practicing all week.
Steam the milk, tap it, pour.
That is a heart. A real heart.
I did it.
It looks like the cafe.
Almost. Still a little wobbly.
But so much better than day one.
Your ghost latte?
Do not remind me.
Let me try a leaf pattern.
A leaf? That is harder.
Pour, wiggle, pull through.
Wow, that actually looks like a leaf.
Not perfect, but close.
I think you are better than me.
Because I practice more.
I waste too much milk.
We have been through 6 gallons.
6 gallons? Wow.
Worth every drop.
Our own cafe at home.